Angry guy here. And today we're discussing how Bitcoin smashed through $6,000 as the bull run accelerates. Guys, this is getting incredible. It's getting pretty darn incredible. I want to thank these patrons right here. And of course, we have to do a special thanks to these patrons. I'm in the office right now. Oh my goodness, the list did update. So Sharky recently ceded his top spot to Mickey Turner. So let's thank Mickey Turner, Sharky, GNU, Link Neurons, Cryptonomy Royal 2.5, B Backs, Brian A. Pierre Dramartel, David Herrera, Dead Lust, F8 Crusader, Goo Monster, Hansky, Iceberg 88, John Charles Clark Jr., Joshua Flores, Levi Abram, Nature Monk, Raymond Zuniga, Red Pill Blue Mage, Saint Everest, CPO Americana, Scott Venman, Thomas Danielle, Timothy Bruce Leoza, David Strong, Tim Myers, Daniel D. Utley, and Sam Raven. You guys are amazing and thank you for your continued support. So, guys, the crypto boom continues to accelerate. The bull run continues to accelerate. We are looking at a just unbelievable things happening right now in the crypto space. One of the most interesting things is the fact that other cryptocurrencies are not gaining while Bitcoin is skyrocketing up. Now, this is very interesting for a number of reasons. What this suggests is, of course, there's a number of people, new people coming into the crypto space. So you have a lot of new people coming into the crypto space, and what are they investing in? They naturally invest in the first coin they've heard of, Bitcoin. Okay. What ends up happening though is as new people come into the crypto space, the trend is they gradually begin moving over to other cryptocurrencies. Yes, that's how it works. Now, for those of you that just don't understand, this is quite significant. It's a real significant change, and it gives us quite an opportunity to make quite a lot of money as this is happening around us. You can sit on your hands all you want. I'm just being honest with you. You can, or you can take advantage of the situation. Okay? I'm just going to tell you the honest to goodness truth. Here we have on the screen, Bitcoin rally sustains while investors and other crypto assets continue to suffer. Again, right now, this is the best time to go and pick up some other cryptocurrencies. Oh my gosh. You guys are not hearing me. I don't know what's going on. Okay. It was working. Then it stopped working. Yeah, guys. So, I mean, huh? So yeah, I mean, it's incredible. It is incredible, but you have to really want it at this point. You cannot just sit on your hands and say, "Hey, we're going to, we're not going to do anything," because you had to get in this space. It's amazing. Goo Monster says, "I can hear you. I can barely hear you now." Oh my. Just bear with me. Your volume dropped. Yeah, I apologize for that. So everything's you know what's funny? So yeah, I'm glad that I'm actually glad that I made that change a while ago cuz yeah. Anyway, I'm using my mic right now and it's funny because you've got Streamlabs just being like wonky, but you guys should be hearing me okay. Like I was saying, we are seeing such massive changes happening. I just put the volume back up. I apologize for that. I just put the volume back up for you guys, so you guys should be hearing me even better now. But we're seeing massive changes happening in the crypto space, and it's incredible. Incredible. You should not be going around and picking up Bitcoin. You should be out there buying up crap coins. All right? Crap coins right now, I mean, other cryptocurrencies in general are going to be the coins that will make you rich. They're going to be the coins that will make you tens of thousands or millions of dollars. Okay? So while this says that, Bitcoin rally sustains while investors in other crypto assets continue to suffer, this is a joke. This is a complete and utter joke, okay? What's happening is you have a lot of people entering the crypto market right now. You've got a lot of boomers entering right now, and they want one thing: Bitcoin. Also, you have a number of people in other spaces that are pulling money out of those spaces to buy Bitcoin. A lot of people in the crypto sphere see the massive bull run that's happening. That we're literally about to witness, and they're like, okay, well, you know what? We're just going to hold on to some Bitcoin also. Do not be fooled. All right, your earning potential is not in Bitcoin. It is investing in smaller altcoins. And so there's a lot of these altcoins that are worth that, like, they have market caps of like $500 million. I mean, come on. Come on. You have to be asleep to not see this. Tim says, even though altcoins are going down a bit, but hey, more opportunity. Again, this is just temporary, very temporary. Do not be persuaded by this. You need to know how to evaluate altcoins right now so that you can invest in them. All right, and take advantage of this, because you can invest in a single altcoin and it can go up by 10 times, 100 times, even 1,000 times. Okay, there's a lot of cryptocurrencies right now that are trading for like a penny, like a few pennies compared to what they were trading for when they first came out. You got some coins that were going for $60 a coin or $30 a coin, and now they're going for like 3 cents or less. All right. And here's the thing. Those same coins are going to skyrocket again in value. They are. Okay. That's because what happened is people don't understand that, okay, well, is the team still active on the coin? Yes. Are they still putting out updates? Yes. Are they still listed on major exchanges? Yes. Okay. So, and why aren't you investing in this coin? Because I'm scared. Yeah, so you're letting fear, uncertainty, and doubt totally destroy you. I mean, guys, let's keep on jumping. Check this out right here. Weekly Bitcoin price indicator prints strongest bull run signal since 2018. Okay, this is not a joke. A technical indicator used to identify the momentum behind assets price is registering its highest value since the beginning of 2018 when applied to Bitcoin, a possible positive sign for the cryptocurrency markets. Guys, don't forget that what's his name? Mark Zuckerberg is set to release his coin. All right, his own version of crypto, and like it's literally desperation right now. Desperation from some of these companies. Don't be surprised when Google comes out with their own coin as well. Okay. I'm telling you. I am telling you, all right? We're looking at its highest value since the week of January 8, 2018, just a few weeks after the cryptocurrency reached its all-time high near $20,000, guys. I'm telling guys, this is not a game. And when Bitcoin was at around $20,000, you had other cryptocurrencies sitting at insane numbers as well, all right? I'm telling you right now, don't sit on your hands, all right? Because no one's going to do it for you. Sharky's not going to give you any of his coins. Here's another one for you guys. Morgan Creek's Mark Yusko explains his $400,000 Bitcoin prediction. Guys, $400,000 Bitcoin prediction. $400,000 Bitcoin prediction on this, all right? Let's jump over here, because this one looks really interesting. Here's why Bitcoin price is looking at an eye-popping bull run. All right, this is from May 9th. Hackers stole $40 million worth of Bitcoin from one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges. The New York Attorney General sued a Bitcoin exchange for allegedly hiding its insolvency. The Chinese government hinted that it would ban Bitcoin mining operations, but none of these adverse events could stop the cryptocurrency from rising above $6,000. The BTC/USD instrument on Thursday reached its 2019 high towards $6,096. By the way, guys, by the time of making this video, it's already gone as high as like well over 6,100. Its highest in 2019, the price action helped the pair reclaim a psychological target at $6,000, which had a strong probability of deflecting the Bitcoin uptrend. But with the level now broken to the upside, the Bitcoin market proved that it was resilient to adverse events taking place around it. Instead, it was focusing on long-term bull factors, such as the one aroused by Fidelity in investments. Now, guys, I want you to hear about what's happening with Fidelity, because this is very, very massive. The Boston-based asset management firm, which is famous among its peers at Wall Street, announced that it would buy and sell Bitcoin for its clients within a few weeks. So guys, what's going to happen now is people will be able to actually go in, sit down with a Fidelity broker, okay? This is where this brings all those boomers who don't know how to do this into the game, all right? And this increases the value of Bitcoin by a ton, okay? So now you're gonna have trading desks out opening up. With Fidelity doing this, oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. You're gonna have one company after another company after another company trying to compete now, trying to catch up on Fidelity, okay? It's going to be insane. It's going to be desperation. Oh my gosh, why didn't we try to get into this before? Well, they're going to be rushing right now. The announcement went to the wire on May 6th, the day when Bitcoin price is going through a minor downside. Correction upon a reversal action from 5,846, a session high established 2 days earlier. The news of Binance losing about $40 million worth of Bitcoin in a hack went live on March 7th. Nevertheless, the Bitcoin price reacted more to the positive aspects of the day and rose as much as 4.98% on Coinbase. So guys, you have to understand something. These centralized exchanges, it's like a bank it's like a bank gets robbed, okay? That's essentially what it is. And here's the irony about that. You know, a bank gets robbed in real life. The government's like, okay, well, we're going to back up the funds in the bank, okay? An exchange gets robbed, your money's gone, okay? And that sounds terrible, but you have to understand, it also is a good thing because it proves that this is a limited supply. You can't just make more of it, okay? So yeah, those people who lost their money, it sucks for them. But at the same time, it just continues to make it very concrete just how limited crypto is in its availability, okay? It is a very limited asset, more limited than something like even gold, because they sell things like gold bonds, all right? Don't expect to see a lot of cryptocurrency bonds out there either. Let me see here. Holders rising. Fidelity announcement opened a strong Wall Street perspective for Bitcoin. The big institutions so far kept their distance from the cryptocurrency industry, citing lack of regulatory oversight, volatility, and security as main issues. Fidelity itself entered the Bitcoin space as a custodian, the one that would safeguard the cryptocurrency for investors, but the company stayed on the sidelines as far as trading Bitcoin was concerned. This decision to buy and sell Bitcoin only institutional, not retail clients, hinted that big investors were confident in putting large capital into the cryptocurrency market. That certainly could have kept the retail investors away from any kind of panic sell sentiment. Besides a $40 million hack, which may or may not turn into a sell order, was still small in comparison to $107 billion, 107 billion Bitcoins market. Yeah, guys, I mean, oh, hey, is that Flow? Guys, you really need to wake up, okay? Stop listening to anyone who's talking nonsense about crypto because you're going to be left out. All right. Right now, Sharky's taking time off. He's getting ready to take off in the winter. Is it like this winter? Like he's gonna like stop working, okay, and focus on and possibly becoming a full-time trader. Guys, this isn't a game. All right. This is not a game. I told you, you can take $100 and turn $100 into $10,000. It's not a game. But you have to be willing to put in the work. And so many people right now just aren't. So many people are content with living these lives of mediocrity, okay? Here's another interesting thing for you. Here's another article for you. 3 reasons why, let me close that. 3 reasons why Bitcoin price will sprint beyond 2019 high, $6,000, okay? So, guys, will sprint beyond. Guys, I'm telling you, this is insane. This is insane, all right? Right now is the time to be investing in altcoins because they are going to surge massively as the cost of Bitcoin goes so high that the idea of owning a single Bitcoin becomes out of reach for most people. They're going to begin focusing on other cryptocurrencies. I'm telling you that. They're going to begin using other cryptocurrencies as Bitcoin just it's no longer practical for the average person. You know who's going to be using Bitcoin? Institutional investors. They're going to be using tons of it for like everyday transactions. As I said, Bitcoin is the new digital gold. You're going to hear people saying, if only I had gotten my hand on a single Bitcoin back then. Back when it was only when I can buy it for like $5,000 or $3,000. Now it's going for like $1.2 million. And you've got like the world's richest people, like everyone in the world, like the world's richest people all fighting to own a single Bitcoin. Do you guys understand? There are more millionaires, I think, in maybe the United States alone than there are Bitcoins, something like that. There's like more millionaires. There's more millionaires in the U.S. alone than there are Bitcoins. All right. So you have to understand that there's not enough Bitcoins for every millionaire. That is significant. Now multiply that on a worldwide scale, and you can see just the scarcity that exists. Now, there's so many other cryptocurrencies out there as well. And these cryptocurrencies are exponential. They have a lot of utility as well. Bitcoin is not a utility token. That's another thing. A lot of you don't understand the difference between standard tokens, which are basically cash coins like Bitcoin, and utility tokens that have a function behind them. All right? Most people are blindly investing at this point, and that's one of the most dangerous things they could be doing because that's how they lose their wealth. That's how they totally screw up. You have to be ready. You have to actually go out there. You have to do the hard work. You have to learn, okay? Because right now, this is it. If you miss this, guys, we're literally heading into a giant global economic depression right now, okay? We're heading to an global economic depression, okay? And it is massive. And it's so hilarious. It's funny because, all these people who sit on their hands, it's sad. It really, really is sad. All these people who sit on their hands, it's really sad because these are the same people who are going to be asking others for help. And, it's just like, what the heck were you doing all that time? You didn't have, it's not like you didn't have the opportunity. You chose not to. You chose to sit on your hands. You chose not to invest. You chose not to learn, okay? Don't blame anyone else for it. Don't blame anyone else for it. Don't go blame, for example, right now, we've been working a lot on Red Pill, and Red Pill is going crazy. The volume of Red Pill has gone from literally $100 to $1,000 or over $1,000 a day. It's just been surging up and down, and it's crazy. It literally is. And I'm just thinking to myself, so many of these people, like for example, when when Red Pill, by the grace of God, Red Pill goes through the roof, and I'm curious, all those people that criticize, are they going to turn around and blame TFM for are they going to say it's TFM's fault? Why I never invested? He said that crypto wasn't good. Crypto's a scam. Yeah, I honestly, I find, what I find really sad? Blaming others for your own insecurities. You listen to others, and now you're upset. There's a saying: monkey see, monkey do, monkey make a fool of you. You ever hear that one? You ever hear that one before? All right. You can't blame anyone else for your own lack of insight and other than you. But everyone's gonna try to do it. Everyone's going to try to do it. They're going to try to blame everyone else for why they didn't invest, for why they did this. But I mean, look at these, look at a lot of people who criticized me after I dropped the whole label a while back. Now some of these people are creeping back like, hey, I'm going through a lot of things in my life, and I didn't know. It's like I can't be blamed for it. Like, you got to be kidding me. You got to be kidding me. Guys, you can head over to cryptomoney.academy to take a course. Right now, the courses are going up. Like I said, guys, I'm going to make my money, all right? And I've been offering the courses at much lower than they're worth because I wanted everyone to get an opportunity to take them. Right now, you can still get some great deals on these courses. We have how to choose altcoins to invest in. We have how to choose to actually invest in altcoins that will increase by 10 times to 100 times or more. You want to take that course. This course is $199 right now. It's going to be going to $299 on June 1st. This course, I basically teach you the methods that I use to invest in cryptocurrency, that I use to invest in altcoins, that I use to evaluate coins. You will be able to take this, rinse it, repeat it, and you'll be able to figure out which coins are going to skyrocket in value by 10 times, 100 times, or 1,000 times. So this is a huge deal. This course is going, Sharky was looking at this course and he goes, yeah, you should be charging more for it. Sharky was like, yeah, you should be charging more for it. You should be charging more for it. Like, even offering it at $199 is like, for the early bird special at $199 is way too cheap. Way too cheap. All right. But, as you can see here, you can look at what the course is, and basically in the course, you're going to learn what to do before investing in altcoins, how and where to find altcoins that will increase by 10 to 1,000 times in value, how to evaluate altcoins, determine if they will increase by 10,000 to 1,000 times in value, how to spot scam coins and use them to your own advantage to make 10 times to 1,000 times profit, how to minimize your risk when investing in altcoins, and how to make how to minimize your risk when investing in altcoins to make profit, and how to become an altcoin millionaire. All right. So you don't want to miss that. Now, here's the thing. Before you can play the game, you need to know the rules. And we have Introduction to Cryptocurrency. This course is $159, but it'll be going up to $179 on June 1st. So I strongly advise you to pick up the course now, okay? Because there are no discounts. All right, so that's going to be going up to $159. It's going to be going to $179, correction, on June 1st. It's $159 right now. And basically, this course is for those people who don't know anything about crypto. There's a huge learning curve in crypto. And if you don't know what you're doing, you will lose everything, okay? And basically, you can have a look at the curriculum here, but you're going to understand how cryptocurrency works, how to purchase and use cryptocurrency, how to store cryptocurrency, different kinds of cryptocurrency. Like, for example, let me read through this, because many of you think, oh, well, I'll just go buy some when I feel like it. You don't even understand the very basics. You're going to try to enter the crypto market sphere, and you're going to be completely blown away. You're going to be scared out of your mind. And you're going to think like, oh, I can't do this, because what the heck was I doing? And you're going to think back to me. You're going to think, yeah, AM was talking about this, wasn't he? Oh my gosh. What is cryptocurrency? The distributed ledger. You guys are like, what the heck is the distributed ledger? That's technology behind the blockchain. Are you starting to follow just how much of a learning curve there is? What gives cryptocurrency value? How is cryptocurrency created? How to store it? We're talking hardware wallets, paper wallets. Wait, you can store cryptocurrency on a paper wallet? Again, you need to know these things, all right? Using cryptocurrency and purchasing cryptocurrency. Where the heck do you get it from? If you don't know, you could end up paying a huge premium for crap coins, okay? Let alone trying to buy Bitcoin and getting like something called Bitcoin. It really isn't even Bitcoin. You're gonna learn about Introduction to dApps, which is the promise of cryptocurrency. And this is it stands for decentralized apps. And this is a very, very serious thing. Most people don't know what this is that are investing in the crypto space, but this is the technology that's really going to take altcoins to the next level. Lesson 2 in section 3, of course, is crypto and the Internet of Things, and that's like your smart speakers, smart cars, self-driving cars, and how blockchain will affect that. For example, what you may not know is that in a couple of years, blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrency, might actually be doing things like protecting your operating system. You'll learn initial coin offerings, the different kinds of cryptocurrency investing strategies, and the importance of consistency and persistence, because you're going to really need that, okay? You're going to really, really need that. We also have Introduction to Day Trading Cryptocurrency for a Living, so you can actually learn how to day trade cryptocurrency, all right? That's something you need to know. This is how you're going to make lots of money. Once you know how to actually trade it, don't just start trying to trade it on your own, because you're going to end up losing your money. All right, so you're going to understand the different kinds of traders and day trades, understand day trading strategies, utilize day trading charts and software to make accurate and precise trades. You're going to develop a trading plan. You're going to understand the best strategies for taking profit without incurring a loss. And you can look at the full curriculum before you even purchase the course. It's right there. And you're going to see what is day trading. You're going to see what is day trading. You're going to learn what is day trading, coin investing resources. I'm going to give you the resource that you need to start in day trading. Reviewing the market cap for coins and trading activity. Trading on an exchange, yes, you learn about that. Identifying invest-worthy trade volume in coins, using trading charts to predict outcomes, the different kinds of trading, identifying trading cycles, finding the optimal trading window. You need to know this. Effective day trading strategies, the fundamentals of taking profit, and multi-trading techniques, okay? Again, all of that is going to be there for you. Now, if you want to invest in altcoins, another very important thing is that most people don't know how to invest in altcoins. For example, you're going to need Bitcoin if you want to buy altcoin, okay? If you want to buy altcoins, you usually have to go get some Bitcoin, and then you convert that to the altcoin that you want, all right? But a lot of people end up paying massive amounts of money to do this because they don't know where to get Bitcoin from. They don't know where to get Bitcoin from. And sometimes it's not as simple as just going online. It usually isn't. You have to know where to go, or else you can end up paying something like $1 to like half a, you basically, there's like a 50% premium on Bitcoins versus the US dollar. So you end up losing tons of money, all right? Basically, this course is going to teach you how to buy Bitcoins anonymously and also through usual means. It provides you with the best ways to acquire coins using various methods. But of course, you're going to know the best places to purchase Bitcoins both online and locally, purchasing Bitcoins using both the usual methods and anonymous methods, understand the basic anonymous Bitcoin purchasing methods, understand advanced anonymous Bitcoin purchase methods, and you're also going to learn a simple method to purchase Bitcoin that is unknown to most investors. So I am a blockchain developer, and I've been talking about this for quite some time. I've been telling you guys, don't sit on your hands. Now, if you want to sit on your hands and fool around, do what makes you happy. Like I said, FEMA camps there's gonna be more than enough FEMA camps for everyone. I'm absolutely wrong about that. Norris was talking about that. He said there's gonna be a lot of people. There's not even gonna be space and all of for people, because there's gonna be so many people like, I need some food, I need some help, someone help me. Like I said, I told y'all, like, y'all think that you're gonna go down to the soup kitchens and get some kind of handout. So it's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. MRAs have that on lock. You gotta be kidding me. Thinking you're just gonna wake up one day like, oh, I'll just go down to the soup kitchen and get myself something. You must be out of your mind. You know how long those lines are? All right, there's gonna be reservations. There's gonna be a process. They might start doing random testing. Listen to me, all right? You think homelessness is a joke? Homelessness is a profession, all right? Homelessness is a profession. You need to know how to be homeless. You need to serve. Maybe I should write a book for, like, you know what? Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I will create a course for those of you who, you know, that think that like homelessness is something that you might be interested in, like, you know, you're about that life. I think I might do that. I might put together a course. You know, I've had that experience. I might put together a course for you guys, teaching you how to survive and how to navigate homelessness, survive homelessness, and potentially even thrive while you're homeless. Me personally, I would never want to do it again. But if that's what you're about, if you're about that life, you know, I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'll put together a course on how to survive and thrive at homelessness, okay? And I'll let you guys, for those of you that are about that life, I will put that course out there so that you can get on that and start learning on how you can do that, how you can make your, you know, to make it a career, how you can live, be the best version, homeless version of yourself, you know, to each their own. I can't tell you how to live your life. I can't tell you how to live your life. Only you can decide how you want to live your life. That's the honest goodness truth. You know, so I mean, if that's what you're about, I'll put a course out for you discussing that. I also want to tell you guys, don't forget that when it comes to course development, taking your skills, putting them into a course is one of the most effective ways to build a business. I'm actually putting together a new course for you guys that will teach you how to build your own course business. Just like I have my course business and I sell courses online and I make quite a good amount of money from doing it. I'm going to be showing you, again, I'll be going into my PayPal, my Stripe, showing you the thousands of dollars I'm making selling courses. And I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own courses and how to sell your own courses. I'm going to give you everything that you need. The course is going to be coming out. Hopefully I should have it all done next week. And there will be an early bird special. The early bird special, it'll be $299, and then the course will go up gradually over the next 2 months until it gets to $500. Yes, this is a $500 course, but there will be an early bird special for people to get it at $299. So that, just letting you guys know that, but I will have that for you guys out soon. Dead loss is like, good luck being homeless. Sleeping in the woods is no joke. Oh my gosh. MGTOW says the real unemployment rate is 21%. Brian Pierre Dramartel says, yeah, I think we've been in recession for a while now. It's just a matter of blooming into a depression with 40% unemployment. Oh, MGTOW says homeless course is coming. It's coming. Deadla says we never recovered from the recession. Gumanto says the public number of unfunded pensions is 200 trillion. That number is significantly higher than they aren't showing that to the public. Yeah, it's rough. Brian Pierre Dramardo. I think I'm gonna make this into a video. FEMA Camp Warrior. Oh my gosh, guys! Like maybe I should surviving FEMA Camp Warrior. FEMA Camp Warrior. That should be like a TV show, guys. Like imagine if it was like a next show, like FEMA Camp Warrior, and like you're in a FEMA camp and you're like trying to survive the FEMA camp, and it's like rough in there, but you've got this, bro. You've got this, okay? Because you're gonna survive. You're going to make it out. You're going to make it out, all right? Don't let anyone talk down to you. Don't let anyone tell you anything different. You are going to make it. You are going to make it, all right? FEMA Camp Warrior. Blue Monster says, fortunately, they have the funds to compensate. Unfortunately, it was only 40 million. Okay, so you're talking about what's up earlier? You're talking about Binance. Yeah, Binance is a good exchange. Binance is a good exchange. Deadla says, take the course. Red Philosophy says they're GPing to be so many angry at TFM. Yeah, like I said, don't be angry at TFM. Don't be angry at TFM for not investing in crypto because like you don't blame him. Don't blame him. I'm actually in TFM's. I'm on TFM's side on this one. I'm on his side on this one. All right, not that I agree with him, but listen to me. He didn't make you do anything. You chose not to invest. All right. TFM's pulling in over $100,000 a year from his channel. I'm just letting y'all know. TFM is pulling in over $100,000 a year. Over $100,000 a year. All right, and you've got people like, we're gonna go to his page. Like, TFM, do your thing, bro. I'm not hating on you. I'm not hating on him. That's how he makes his money. I'm not hating on him. Do your thing, bro. Do your thing, But don't go around blaming him when, like, you made a bad decision, saying that, well, you trusted him and you believed in him. Deadlust says Starbucks is going to take crypto. I mean, Starbucks is taking Bitcoin right now. AP530 says Frappuccino coin. Accept the cookies, I agree. Big money. Deadlust is big money. It's no game. Tim says, I got some clients for handling and teaching and researching cryptocurrency and going to make so much crypto with passive means. FYI, guys, Tim, okay, actually took the day trading course recently. Tim actually purchased the day trading course recently, okay? But for those of you that think this is a game, think again. But Tim actually purchased the day trading course recently. Okay? Yeah. Oh, shoots. Underdog is actually hanging out. Underdog Josh, he's like, angry. What are your thoughts on Facebook's interest in crypto? Like I said, Mark is trying to get in there and make some money quick. Mark is desperate right now. Mark is desperate. Brian says, don't forget about private debts. Guys, I'm telling you, that's student loan bubble Elizabeth Warren's talking about. She's like, I'm going to pay off all those loans. I'm going to pay off that $1.5 trillion in student loans with by taxing savings accounts. Guys, she wants to put an annual tax on savings accounts. An annual tax on savings accounts. You've got to be kidding me. An annual tax on savings accounts. Savings accounts. When the government wants to start putting a tax on savings accounts, it's bad. You've got to be insane to not see this. I told y'all we're headed for negative interest rates. That is where the bank charges you money to have your money in the bank. And basically, you're like, why would anyone do that? It's quite simple. Because if you don't pay the bank to keep your money in the bank, then you are now cut off from a number of things. Without a bank account, there's a lot of things you can't do. But then there's the alternative of cryptocurrency, which is actually helping the unbanked to do so much more now. Red Philosophy says, I can't wait to tell so many people that didn't want to invest, I told you so. Deadlust is in the chat Deadlust is being a little obnoxious in the chat, talking about 3 hots and a cot will be the FIBA winning prize. Oh my God. Guys, in FIBA, what you get if you win is you get guys, what you get in FIBA, if you win as a prize, what you get in prison for free. In prison, you get 3 hots and a cot. In FIBA, you've got to fight for it. Oh my gosh. Deadlust says all TFM is going to say is he is a monkey, so don't listen to him. Yep, he's done it for years. He's done that for years. Anytime something has happened and it's caused people like distress, he turns around and he goes, what are you talking about? I'm just a monkey. You were listening to a monkey. I mean, like, who in their right mind would take financial advice from a monkey? That's what he's going to say. He's going to say, who in their right mind would take financial advice from a monkey? Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Let me see here. Guys, I'm just relaxing. All right. I'm just relaxing. Because I know my money. I know I'm getting my money. There's a lot of y'all fooling around, but I know I'm out here getting my money. Anyway, don't forget, you can find links to cryptomoney.academy in the description of the video. You can find links to cryptomoney.academy in description, links to cryptomoney.academy and links to cryptomoney.academy in the description of the video. And you can also find all of the courses there as well. Links to all of the courses that are out right now there as well. So that's something for you. So if you want to take a course, you can find the links there. Like I said, guys, time for sitting on your hands has come and gone. The time for second guessing has come and gone. All right? This is no game. Love God, get money, and cheers. Don't forget you can sign up on my Patreon if you would like insider tips on investing and everything, where I just kind of do the work for you. Cheers.